Ang susunod na programa ay rated PG. Patnubay at gabay ng magulang ay kailangan sa mga batang manonood.
Depende ka sa media. Rest assured dun sa opening at launching ng 18th store, definitely makikita rin tayo at doon malalaman.
Pero niluluto ka rin ba sa ito?
Medyo, mga fried eggs. Kaya naman, pang-camping.
Kasi na lang, meron ko lang dream dinner with any dream personalities na mag-meet mo. Sino sa inyo would you like to share the table with?
No, seriously, I would always like to share the table with Rachel. Kapag may opportunities, sila gusto ko makasama kumain. Kasi alam ko, lalaki yung mga yan. Di ba, darating yung oras na may sarili-sarili na sila mga gagawin. So, habang pwede, always choose to dine in. Kasi syempre, by default, kasama ko doon talaga. So, thank you.
Thank you, Sir Alan. Next, we have Sir Albert Bryan from Chicanas. Sir Albert.
Hey, mabuhay. To Sir Ricky or Sir Henry. And so, how is MESA adapting when it comes to customer service, especially now with social media, very aggressive talaga yung customers in providing feedback, and especially with how hindi lang yung food itself, but on how customers are being treated in restaurants.
Good question. As you can see, we're a 15-year-old brand, but we never stopped to evolve. We've evolved our stores from our original design to now version 3.0. So it's just never stopping to develop or innovate the brand. Like sabi mo nga, more discerning ngayon ang mga customers, and we know that, right? We keep our eyes on the ground na nakikita namin yung mga nangyayari and the changes that are happening within our customers. As you mentioned, service is one of those important things na kailangan natin train namin. So, as MESA or as Foodie as a whole, we're in a transition where we're going back to basics, right? Making sure na yung steps of service na susunod. Because at the end of the day, the food business is no longer just about good food. It's about a combination of every small detail that makes a restaurant a restaurant. And everyone wants a newer experience, right? Di na pwede yung serve ka lang ng pagkain, basta masarap yung pagkain. I think what we're trying to achieve is to make them have an experience when dining in and leave happy and full.
And to add, sir, so ngayon, it's an age of digital transformation. So our operations is gearing towards that particular digitalization. So we installed CCTVs. Yung CCTVs na yun is proudly CCTVs that we can watch inside our office or 80 stores. And at the same time, we have a customer care hotline located at Eastman. So some of the customers want to call directly, and then we will be the ones to answer and to reply and to respond. And lastly, the social media. We have a social media management, and we're hiring third party that will monitor all postings or negative comments, and then we can immediately respond. Yes, less than sometimes. So we call them directly to address all of the concerns. So we're gearing towards digital transformation.
Thank you. And last question, Sir Eric. If there's one thing you can pinpoint na biggest contribution ni Ding Dong to your brand, what will that be?
This! Of course, I mean, the branding of Ding Dong has been in sync with MESA, right? He's your typical Filipino person, tall, dark, and handsome, diba? So, I think So I think it was really that it made sense. Yeah, when people saw Ding Dong, nakita na nila Nessa, and I think, you know, as we go, sometimes they say, tumataas benta, tas mga, but we're seeing growth in our sales, and I think that Ding Dong contributes to that.
Thank you. And last for you, Ding Dong, how would you describe your 6-year relationship with Nessa?
Siyempre, parang dining experience lang niya, pasarap ng pasarap.
Paano mo nasabing pasarap? Palaki ba ng palaki yung tingin?
Hindi, kasi gaya nga nung sinabi ni Eric, ang dining experience is not just about good food, it's about the overall experience. Yung makukuha mong experience with the waiters, yung experience mo sa ambience na bago. So ganun din, dahil habang nag-evolve yung brand, habang lumalaki, kasama din ako doon sa pag-evolve at paglaki. So, yun yung sinasabi ko, pasarap ang pasarap ko experience. Because I get to see and experience everything that's happening. And that's something that I really appreciate.
Thank you. Congrats.
And there we have it, the last question from the media. Thank you so much for joining us here today as we appreciate your continued support as Mesa marches forward on its